Hey everyone, struggling with your Verizon hotspot and Android or iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple and effective fixes to get your hotspot up and running in no time. Let's dive in. To fix Verizon hotspot not working on Android or iPhone, check data and hotspot settings, restart your device, reset network settings, ensure hotspot is enabled with correct password, check usage and plan details, and if needed, remove and re-add the hotspot connection. If you are using hotspot device, try removing and reinserting the SIM. Why Verizon hotspot not working on Android and iPhone? Incorrect or outdated hotspot settings, including wrong password or hidden SSID, poor cellular signal or data limit reached, preventing hotspot from working, temporary glitches resolved by restarting devices or resetting network settings, problems with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi interference affecting hotspot connection. Fix 1. Check hotspot and mobile data settings. If your phone is inactive for a long time, the hotspot might be turned off automatically. Check your mobile hotspot and mobile data settings on your source phone. To check hotspot settings, on Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, tap on Hotspot and Tethering, turn off or on hotspot tethering. On iOS, go to Settings, then go to Personal Hotspot, turn off or on, allow others to join. To check mobile data, for Android, swiping down from the top of the screen to open the notifications shade, tapping the mobile data icon to turn it on or off. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the cellular data icon to quickly toggle it on or off. Fix to verify the hotspot name and password. Ensure that the hotspot name and password are correct. For iPhone, you can find them under Settings. Go to Personal Hotspot, check credentials details. For Android, you can find them under Settings. Go to Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Then go to Configure, verify the hotspot name and password. Fix 3. Power cycle your device. Restart your device as a simple first step to potentially resolve connectivity issues. For Android, press and hold the volume down button and the power button or lock simultaneously until the device restarts. For iPhone, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for the device to turn off. To turn on the device back, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Restart Verizon device. If you are using Verizon hotspot device, press the power button, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again to turn on it. Fix 4. Reset the Wi-Fi connection. To delete and reconfigure a Wi-Fi network on Android and iPhone, follow these steps. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the network you want to delete and select Forget Network. To reconfigure the network, tap Add Network and enter the SSID security type and password. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, tap the information icon next to the network you want to delete, tap Forget this network and confirm. To reconfigure, tap Add Network at the bottom and enter the network details. Fix 5. More devices sharing the data. Data will be slow if you connect more devices to the hotspot. Check the number of devices connected to the network and remove unwanted one. For Android, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then tap on Hotspot and Tethering, go to Wi-Fi hotspot, connected devices, then remove extra devices. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot, look for the Connect to this iPhone or iPad over. The number of connected devices will be shown next to Wi-Fi and USB. Remove the unwanted devices and check again. Fix 6. Use 2.4 GHz band. Many older devices only support the 2.4 GHz band, so switching can help ensure that all your devices are connected. Open Settings, go to Personal Hotspot, toggle on Maximize Compatibility. These settings force your hotspot to use 2.4 GHz band, which can improve compatibility with other devices. Open Settings, select Network and Internet hotspot tethering, go to AP band, change band to 2.4 GHz. Fix 7. Check your Verizon plan. Make sure your Verizon plan supports mobile hotspot usage. Mobile hotspot is included in many Verizon plans, including unlimited plans, shared plans, and prepaid plans. Check whether you have a mobile hotspot by going to the product and app page in My Verizon and clicking the Manage My Product tab. If you don't already have it, you can add it there. If you have activate hotspot plan, check the usage. Dial hatch data from your Verizon wireless phone. You will receive a text message with a breakdown of your data usage for the current billing cycle. Alternatively, go to Verizon usage page, prepaid or usage page for standard account and sign into your account to check the details. If necessary, you can add more data to continue the service. Fix 8 reset network settings. Similar to iOS, resetting network settings on Android help fix issues related to Wi-Fi connectivity, mobile data and Bluetooth connection. It removes all saved networks and paired devices, which can help eliminate conflict or error that may be causing connectivity problems. On Android, open settings, go to system, then reset option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, then tap on reset to confirm the action. On iOS, iPhone or iPad, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping reset network settings again. Fix 9 additional step. Reinsert the SIM. For Verizon hotspot devices, power off your Verizon hotspot, remove battery, then remove the SIM card carefully, then reinsert them properly and power the device back on. This reset the SIM connection, helping fix network recognition or connectivity issues. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.